save over 200 calories with this apple honey tart. Dessert shouldn't come with guilt. When you use whole ingredients and skip the excess sugar and fat, they can actually support your health and weight loss goals. Start by blending 0% fat cottage cheese. Use a dry kind like farmer cheese or dry curd. Then add non-fat Greek yogurt, a pinch of salt, and some vanilla powder or extract. Mix everything until fully combined and smooth. Now add a teaspoon of brown sugar. That tiny amount brings gentle sweetness without throwing off your goals. Add baking powder and crack in 1 egg. Whisk until smooth and fully combined. Now stir in rye flour and mix. Then add rye bran and mix again until the texture looks cohesive. Let's prep the apples. Slice them extra thin. They'll add natural sweetness and a soft texture in every bite. Pour the batter into a silicone baking dish. Arrange the apple slices on top in overlapping circles to create a beautiful layered finish. If you want, add just a light sprinkle of brown sugar. It adds a soft caramel flavor. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. Here's a small trick from French patisserie. Right after baking, mix a spoonful of honey with warm water and brush it over the top. It gives a gorgeous shine and just a hint of extra sweetness. Let it cool to room temperature before slicing. The texture, soft but substantial, with juicy apples, a glossy honey top, and the depth of rye in every bite. More protein, less sugar, and made with ingredients that support your health and help you stay on track with your weight goals. Full instructions and macros in the description. And let me know what to cook next time. Thanks for baking with me.